we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Arovine 20,000 PA cordless car vacuum. Consists of the following features: 7-in-1 versatile hybrid system. More than a vacuum, this 2-in-1 hybrid includes 7 specialized attachments for both powerful suction and high-speed blowing. Effortlessly clear dust from PC keyboards, window tracks, car vents, and even woodworking workshops to meet all your detailed cleaning needs. Advanced brushless power. Driven by a high-speed brushless motor delivering up to 20,000 PA suction. It is 3x more efficient than standard motors at picking up stubborn pet hair, deep-seated crumbs, and fine particles for a professional-grade deep clean. Max runtime and fast charging. Equipped with a premium 3x 2500 mAh battery system for extended, fade-free performance. The universal Type-C port ensures a quick recharge via power bank or car charger, keeping you ready for any cleaning emergency, anytime. Dual filtration and LED light. Features an advanced washable HEPA filter that traps microscopic dust for eco-friendly maintenance. The integrated LED light illuminates dark nooks and crannies, ensuring a thorough clean in every hidden corner of your vehicle. Ultra-compact and gift-ready. Ergonomically lightweight and sleek, it fits perfectly in your car's glove box or center console. Packaged in a premium box, it's an ideal gift for car enthusiasts, pet lovers, and tech users who value a spotless, organized space. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.